Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix the low volume problem on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the media and call volume in the sound settings. So basically, for the Samsungs, you cannot change the call volume in the settings. You can only change it while being in an active call. So call somebody and then change it. Now for the media volume, go over to settings and here go to sounds and vibration. Now select volume, and as you guys can see here, you can change the media. Now it's very important to do that here, and after that let's go back here. And now let's scroll down, go to looking for something else, and here you will always have an option for do not disturb. Now make sure that you disable the do not disturb because it can also cause the low volume problems. So if it's enabled like that, make sure to disable it. And after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker. So basically the speaker is right here. This is the speaker grill, and after you clean it, everything should be okay. If not, then you guys can update your software to fix any audio glitches. It can also happen that it might be a glitch and not an issue exactly with the hardware, but it can be the issue with the software. So go over to the settings and here scroll a bit down until you guys see the software update. Now what you guys want to do is click on the download and install, and here you guys can schedule the install or install it now. So here we can auto install it at, let's say, 3 AM on September 8th 2025. So it's literally a couple of hours away. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.